Yeah. What's going on, y'all? Happy Friday. Previously on Kimba TV. Okay, so obviously, like, you would be watching for that sweep, right? Oh my goodness, this could be... We gotta pay attention to this, y'all. This is the 4-hour candle, y'all. We get that with the... And on that, maybe sweep that one more time. That'd be pretty funny. For me, still a short would be, like, somewhere here. So that'd be a really nice, juicy short attempt. Bitch, we get nasty. We get nasty. All right, hold on. I got a work call. Hold on. A little sneak peek for the Lions. We're at that value area low line, y'all. Snap diddly, we need to get below 30,700 real quick. I'm still doing work shit, y'all. Literally doing this with one eye closed. Plans. Bitch, quit playing with me. 4-hour. Hello? I swear to God, I can understand why the haters are so hateful, because this shit looks too easy. I can understand. How the fuck is he doing this? How we doing? Happy Friday! But guess what? It's a free roll at this point. I'll get stopped out in profit. I don't even care. Second thing, you already know what it is about the value area low. We need to smash through 30,700 ASAP. If it does that, that's no bueno. It's one of those things where if I didn't take it, y'all would have been like, why didn't you take it? You see where I longed? You see where I TP'd? Come on, man. And it's Friday, so if I can survive and not get stopped out before Macaulay Culkin, then I'm Gucci. But we don't really have to rush into the TA because it's already playing out what we planned for. So I'm just glad that it's not red, you know what I mean? I'm glad I didn't long here. I longed here. I'm glad I wasn't shorting here, you heard? Not that hard, everybody. This is the same shit that we've been doing for the last couple of days, weeks, and months. Kimba gang, let's go. This is where the late longers and the bears that got beat up, they're gonna fight right now. And instead of sitting here and just watching and wishing and hoping, what you really want to do is, like me, like I'm staring at the order flow right now. So if this happens again over the weekend, if we do another sweep over the weekend, I can compare the order flow with now and then later. You need to make sure that you're looking at the data right now, not just staring at this shit, praying to Sato that it's going to go up or down. The trade is going to work out with or without the market maker's blessing. Imagine not being able to like extract any sort of price action or div or RSI or order flow, and then now next time you're going to be fucked all over again. So don't just be staring at the price action. Your trade is already made. I could care less if I get stopped out in profit or not. What I really want to make sure is I don't miss out on some significant order flow or a div getting broken or fib levels that get respected or don't get respected. I got to pay attention and figure out what I can extract from this bullshit, you know? That is why I can say things like, okay, well, what should it not do when you guys ask me where my stop loss is, because I've watched this shit with you guys thousands of times. So I have a pretty good idea of what it shouldn't do. Yup. So stay focused. The juiciest thing that the market always gives you is not profits. It's the price action and the patterns. Willie says, Kimba, I had the sweep marked and didn't take it. That's all right. Think about why you didn't take it. Yeah, the thing is we've been talking about this for almost a week. You know, we drew the box, we had our plan. I told y'all what I would be looking for. So like all of these things would be invalidations. If it makes a higher high, I'm stopped out, right? If it shatters through with good order flow through golden pocket and 786, I'm stopped out, right? And then what am I gonna do? I'm probably gonna be looking for a 4-hour or 1-hour bear div. Also, if it looks like I'm gonna lose the 4-hour bear div, that's also out. I'm not really thinking too hard. It's a Friday one, y'all. You know what I wish? I wish it didn't do this on Friday. Very nice. All right, so spot 1 hour bear div, nice. Coin margin contract, bear div, nice. Well. Stable coin doesn't have a bear div. Surprise, surprise. Hot dog. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! Wait, I got stopped out on my MEXC? How? It closed half of my position? I put the stop loss behind 786. Oh my God, I didn't confirm it. Oh, hell no. All right, well, I mean, y'all heard me put limits for the Kraken. I got 120 filled on the Kraken. Filled on the Kraken, but what the fuck? Oh my, I went to go grab coffee too. I have coffee now. I went downstairs and got coffee. What the fuck? How? Who cares, bro? It's only 17K. That's true. It's not that big of a deal. And there's always another trade. That's just annoying fucking, eh? Boink. I mean, this is just... How many times have we seen this? Hands up if you've seen this at least, I don't know, 10 times this month. All right, come on, baby. I have it ready, y'all. What the fuck? Come on, man. I got saltoed. God. That's just so stupid. Because I was in a rush to let us up and go grab coffee, man. That's so fucking stupid. You know, the most profitable thing that is happening and that we're all getting is the price action. Some of us aren't going to use it as well, okay? But you think this is the first time it's going to sweep or get to a high or make a local high before the Friday? We're all staring at this shit. We're all profiting from seeing this. So, you know, try to take notes and see what you can notice, or maybe jot down what you want to pay attention to the next time. But do you see how on coin margin I'm getting the bear div that I want? Do you see the difference, brother? Okay, coin margin contracts has this is 1 hour, by the way. 1 hour bear div, right? Stable coin, nah. What the fuck? What about coin margin though? Nah. Oh, hold on. Let me get rid of the avatars and shit. So I think this is a really clear picture of what's going on. Okay. Clear, maybe not the right word, but very interesting. You know, and whether our conclusion is right or wrong, it's really about the pattern recognition again. So just remember that this is a scenario creative where you have stable coin that does not have a bear div, but you have a coin margin that has a bear div, and you can see on the open interest that the stable coin guy gets squeezed, but the coin margin guys don't really. And so it's probabilities. The probability is that this is a little bit more bearish leaning, but it can still pump a little bit more. So we're gonna see this hundreds of times. There's lions in here that have seen this dozens of times with me already. Exclamation Discord, exclamation Twitter, exclamation YouTube, and then exclamation MEXC. I hope you guys are ready for the giveaway here soon. All right, is everybody signed up on Twitter? Oh, snap dizzle for shizzle. Snap dizzle for shizzle, y'all. Okay. It's just mathing on us. Man. I'm just patiently chilling. Bull Market Money says, see y'all at 35K. Sounds good. In 10 years. Yep. Okay, got you. Letty says, what price does this need to hit for it to no longer be bullish? Lose 25? Isn't that crazy? Letty, lose 25. To be really simplistic. That's what it is for me. Until 32 is broken, or excuse me, until 30,700 is turned into support, you know, I'm really not thinking too much like for 32. But if 25 can't be broken, then 32 is all possible, I think. International says, Kimba, kiss me, baby. Try 125. All right, go ahead and exclamation play full screen game. Here we go. There we go. Exclamation play. I'm starting the countdown right now. The game is going to start exactly in 69 seconds. August Swifty. August Swifty is now back in the lead. Kai right behind him. What is Fire Slayer doing? He enabled the hack. Fire Slayer is somehow, some way already finished. Fire Slayer, I'm going to call you my stop loss because I don't know how it happened. Shout out Fire Slayer. Shout out my stop loss. Oh, Cantor Dog also snuck out. Oh, shit. Mazoris. All right, who's going to land last? Both of these guys are in the same elevation. Who's going to land last? Yeah. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, like J Balvin once said, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Let's get it. Come on, land it. Let's go. Oh, see, always long BTC. No. Oh, crypto in it all. Oh, you jumped over the thing. Oh my goodness. You got so excited. You say, wee, I got it. Oh no. Chauncey, time out all these people in front of you. Time out everybody in front of you. Zero sum, Chauncey. So you got to go through this fleshlight looking thing. Who's going to go through the fleshlight looking thing first? Come on. Zero sum. Zero sum. Zero sum. I was going to TP here, but this bitch going lower. It's going to probably sweep this, y'all. Jay Lee says, what is your first TP, bro? So, look, I was thinking about here, right? Because this golden pocket. So, like, it has to trap shorts, and it wouldn't trap shorts doing that. So, I don't know, but somewhere between here and, like, here. I'll probably actually attempt a long. I forget which one. Give it up for the 4-hour bear div, by the way. What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think my TP is like 29.4 now. I don't know. Shit. They might even nuke right now, and I gotta make this decision right. Do I keep my TPs? It's the weekend. I'm going to TP, but it's probably, I'm not going to long until we get down here. Yeah, you know what? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to still TP in the box, but fuck, man. I think it'll go lower, but I'm also wanting it so that I can long it. I think it's going to go lower than 29.5, but I'm definitely looking forward to longing somewhere between 29 and 29.5. I just don't know what it'll be yet. It's the weekend, so if anything, there's going to be so many opportunities to re-enter. You already know that I'll be able to do it, so I'm not tripping too much. But why TP instead of lowering a partial stop loss? Because it has, I think it might bounce over the weekend. If it was like Tuesday or Wednesday, I probably wouldn't. But since this is the weekend, and bro, like, you know me, man, I'm going to be able to get right back in. You know what I mean? I got stopped out on the 26.3. How did I still make over like 450K longing? You know, so I'll be able to get back in. I'm really not that tripping, to be honest with you. Yeah, let me at least realize some of the things. I don't want that goofy ass shit like getting half my position stopped out as Sato, stop loss to happen over the weekend. Yeah, let me just ride this shit. Oh my God. Okay, well, here, I'm going to adjust my TPs then. God damn it. All right, I'm adjusting. So I'll still keep some of this. I got to redo this then. So we got to break this. We got to break the previous day high. Penetrating through value area high would be dope. Sweep previous day low. These fib levels are awfully fucking annoying, man. What song is? Well, you know what I was gonna say earlier is that if it's like gonna bounce, it'll do this. Or excuse me, if it's gonna bounce, it'll go break out and fake the triangle that way. So if it actually goes out this way and fakes, then we might actually be going over that way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first place finisher and last place finisher. Exclamation play, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hell no. This map is pumping the price. Oh my God, you can't make this up. Where's the finish line, for God's sakes? All right, well, hi, Slayer. Here we go. I don't even know where the finish is. Here we go. Oh, you got to fall down now? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it goes. Shiba! Waku! Mandalo leading the charge. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mandalo leading the charge. Show some love to all the mods. Mandalo. Lala Pet. Swabe. Crap 2. Mandalo. 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 Ah! Snap Diddley. Snap Diddley. Snap Diddley. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what that means? All the mods get the prize. All the mods get a hundo. Woo! Show some love to all the mods, y'all. This is an interesting area to TP. I do have a little bit, but I actually think it's gonna go lower. I think it's gonna sweep that 29.5. And so the way I have my things set up, and don't take this with a grain of salt, you know, but just to kind of talk about TPs and stuff, that's how I have it. So I'm going to respect the golden pocket and the Kimba box, but I think it's actually going to eventually sweep that 500. So I'm going to put the rest of it at behind the 450. Kraken is basically the same exact thing. Alrighty. But yeah, I think this is pretty possible, you know. Getting back to this golden pocket. Otherwise, you know, if you look at the 1 hour, let's get the smaller time frame stuff off. So, if it's really gonna, I think it's really more about that. Lots of confluence with volume. You know, I like that. Also, Kimba box. You know, I really like that. But I do think eventually it's going to gain acceptance back into the value range, and it'll actually do some shit like this. Sweep, come back. Yeah, like and then this, the time that is spent underneath right here, it's got to finish by Sunday. Because it really shouldn't be real. It's got to get right back into the value range. So I don't know, something like that, I think. Yeah, so, yeah, and it's the weekend, so no one really fucking knows. You know what I mean? That would be my best guess. But at the end of the day, man, go with your gut. Go with what you see. Believe in yourself. You know? Fuck what I think, to be honest with you, because it's the weekend, you know? So that's what I'll be aiming for, but a lot of things can change. The most important thing is that if you decide to take a shot, you know, remember what it was. Remember your invalidation. I think it's going to be evident if certain divs are takeable or not. And I probably, if I get stopped out on this, I'll probably be looking at like 318 or something like that for a potential short. You know, if I get stopped out, then it's probably going to be a higher high. So maybe like a 318 sweep. There's a lot of interesting confluence with liquidity up there, right? 318. Let's refresh this before I go. Right. So if it wants to go back up there, you know, maybe the 318 gets real bright or something like that when I get off. I don't know. But 318 and the next, I'm a level guy, so next level would be that 31755 sweep. You know, and then obviously if we're going to get above that, then it's going to be the real sweep of this. So something like that. That would be an amazing sweep. That would be an amazing short. And And I'm just going to be ready for whatever, you know. I probably would not think about longing until this gets swept, you know. So that's totally fine if you want to scalp it. Maybe you get something like that back there again, you know, to kind of like back test and turn that into resistance again one more time. That'd be dope. But me personally, I probably am not fucking with it long until that gets swept. And I showed you guys my TPs. And so I'm going to respect that, and then I'm going to close everything out there, you know. I'm sure that some people are going to be like, oh, you should hold it till 24.17. No. Not yet for me anyways. We got a long ways before that. So let's just remember this. You know, but I actually think this is where I want to long. I think it goes. But we're still level to level, you know, but that is what I'm trying to kind of aim with this. So I think that's it for me. Yeah, some sort of like fake out would be really nice too. If they want to make that look like a bullish retest or something, which doesn't really look that great. There's a golden pocket like here, I think, right? And another one here. Suave says, if this wedge would play out, the first target would be the 618, the second is the top. Yeah, I'm hoping this is a fake wedge. And I'm hoping that it's used to, because I could see this. Originally, I thought it was going to like do this. But if it wants to do this, then it's going to probably go for lower. I think they're just going to use these lines as like bait. And I think it'll be a fake out. So since I'm in a short, I would actually prefer this one. Like a quick, try to do some sort of bull retest and just lose it completely. But yeah. I hope it doesn't do like the, test the range or the test the top of the wedge type of shit, because that'd be the technical target. I don't want to be too dismissive of all the global events that are going on. Yes, I understand that the ETF is coming. Yes, this and that. I'm just going to take it level by level. I will let the golden pocket tell me if it's going to be bullish or going to be bearish. I'm going to see the reactions at the levels, kind of tell me if it's going to dump more or not, Jima. But aside, I'm excluding whatever Russia variable coup attempt happening. Okay, I don't know. All right, y'all. As much as I want to sit here and kick it with you guys, I got to get going because I'm going to go hang out with a couple homies. I have confidence in you guys, man. So if you're going to be trading over the weekend, stay safe. Don't forget about good risk management. And I'm rooting for you guys, man. I know it can be terrifying, so do your best. All right, I'll pop into the Discord once or twice, but you guys saw my TPs. Okay, you guys know what I would do if I get stopped out. You guys know where I would be looking to long if I'm going to long. So, and that's just me. If you don't agree with me, that's totally fine. And the most important thing is that you can build your own internal confidence, and you believe in yourself. All right? So, stay safe. Rooting for you guys, and don't forget to enjoy the weekend a little bit, all right? I need everybody's best next week again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me do the thing to start volatility. Market maker, do your thing. Ladies and gentlemen, long or short, I'm rooting for you. Stay safe, risk management. It's the weekend. You already know what it is. All right, stay safe. And you know what they say? You know what they say in Korea? What do they say in Korea? What do they say in Korea? Sato, tell us.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimba is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.